Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and we're going to use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the lens may have. So to start with the installation, all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film to the headlight, and we're going to start by aligning it right on the edge here first. So make sure you have it aligned on the edge. And something to keep in mind with this tint, we're only covering the section where the headlight is clear. The dark section is not being covered on the top. So align it roughly around there, close to the edge. Once you have it on that position, lift the film and start applying Tack Solution underneath the film and on top. Make sure it stays aligned and hold it in position and start tightening it down slowly. We need to make sure we secure this section first before we move on to the rest of the installation. And something we can do just to help the adhesive on the film activate faster is to apply a little bit of heat. That way it sticks to the headlight more faster, and then we could work our way to that end. So just apply a little bit of heat. Spray Tack Solution and hold it in position and tack it down once more, but apply more pressure this time with your squeegee. Just make sure there's no bubbles underneath, and now we can move on with that section of the headlight. So now once we get to this side, just apply a little bit of Slip Solution just in case the film does get dry and we're not able to stretch it. So Slip Solution, place it back down and apply Tack Solution on the edge only. That way once we stretch the film and reach it to the edge, we start tightening it down slowly. So have it on the edge, hold it in position and just start tightening it down. Same process, apply heat around this area to help the adhesive activate faster. Apply Tack Solution and just help it tack down by applying a little bit more pressure. You are going to notice once you finish tacking down both ends that you will have fingers on this middle section here. To remove those fingers, all you need to do is just apply Tack Solution and apply heat to shrink the fingers, and then little by little we're going to tack them down while using our microfiber towel wrapped around our squeegee. So once you finish applying Tack Solution, grab your heat gun, start applying heat, and then tack them down. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the headlight is to post-heat the entire film. So just apply Tack Solution to the tint, and we're going to use our heat gun to start applying heat throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the tint activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that's trapped underneath the edges. So take your time when you're doing this step, and when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.